If you have been hearing a lot about stock and crypto and you are not sure which market to invest in, or you're confused which market to buy, maybe you buy Tesla or GameStop, or maybe you buy Bitcoin or Ethereum, you don't have to worry anymore, because in this video, I'll be investing in both markets for 1 month and I'll be showing you the results and giving you my personal opinion. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Afis. If this is your first time, I talk about finance, investment, and any other money related topics. So please subscribe and be part of the journey. Before I get started, before I do anything today, I want to say that anything I do or say in this video should not be seen as a financial advice, because I am not a financial advisor and I don't qualify for one. Now, before I put my money on either the stock market or the crypto market, I want to quickly go about what they are and how they all started. So for stocks, it all started back in the 1600s when the Dutch East India employed hundreds of ships to trade for gold, silk, and spice around the world. But the cost of running this business or running these operations was too expensive for them. So in order to raise funds and money for themselves, they turned to private individuals who could invest money or support the trips of the ship, and in exchange for a share of the ship's profit. This method allowed the company to afford more trips for the ships, increasing the profit for themselves and their investor. The company started selling their shares to different places across the continent, and that is how unknowingly the Dutch East India invented the world's first stock market. Since then, companies have been collecting funds from investors to support all kinds of business. Buying stock make investor the partial owner of the business, because their investment makes the company or helps the company to grow. And as the business becomes more successful, more buyers see potential in the company and they will start buying up the stock of the company or the shares of the company. And as the shares or the stock of the company increases, the price goes up, which will allow a raise in the value of the stock people already own. So the whole idea of buying stock is to help a company grow and boost its overall market value. But when it comes to crypto, it all started back in 2008 when there was a big global financial market crash, and the people realized that the banks are doing, or the government and the banks are doing, what they are not supposed to do. So a group of people comes together called Satoshi Nakamoto. Actually, some people believe it's just one person and some people believe it's a group of people. But anyways, Satoshi Nakamoto is a mysterious founder behind Bitcoin. So they came up with the concept of, why do we need a bank? Why do we need a third party in order for two people to make transaction, which is the bank? Why do we need the government to know that we are making transaction to each other? So in 2009, they created Bitcoin as a mechanism for two people to pay each other without the banks or the government knowing about the transaction. So the whole idea behind creating Bitcoin is to solve a problem of payments without the government knowing about the transaction. So the whole idea of creating Bitcoin is to solve the problem of payments, and that is why every other altcoin that we have today, or every other cryptocurrency that we have today, are solving a problem or the other. They are called altcoin or alternative coin because they are not Bitcoin. So any coin that is not Bitcoin are called altcoin, like Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, and lots more. So now that we get that out of the way, now that we know how they all started, I'll be looking for some good stock to put my money on, and I'll be looking for some good crypto to put my money on, and we'll wait for 1 month and see the results. So after I did some research, I decided to buy stock ETFs. ETFs, also known as exchange traded fund, is seen as a bucket of stocks. So it's like you're buying 10 shares of a company in one. I have 425 in my Simple account because of the transaction fee I encountered when buying the crypto that I invested in. But let's just pretend we have $500 in this account, because I don't want to send the rest of the money to Simple, because it's gonna take some days before the money can reflect in the account, and I don't want to wait for those days. So let's just pretend we have 500, and these are the 3 stocks that I bought. And for crypto, I decided to buy XRP, ADA, and ANT. And within minutes, I'm talking between 5 to 10 minutes, I was already up in profit in my crypto account. I have reasons for buying those stocks and coins, and which I'm not going to explain in this video. So please don't go ahead and buy those coins too. It is not advisable.
One eternity later.
So after 1 month in stocks, I have $338 left. And I don't think there is anything I can do to multiply or to earn passive income on this $338. But on crypto, my initial investment of $500 is now $399. But within that 1 month in crypto, the money went up to as high as $560 before the market crashed again. But if I'm asked to choose between crypto and stock, I will go for crypto, because in crypto, you have the opportunity to earn passive income through staking, lending, and borrowing your crypto out. That is why I moved my crypto from my Kraken account to my Celsius account to earn passive income on my crypto every Monday, just for holding the crypto in their wallets or in their account or on the exchange, whichever one. And while on stock, you don't have the opportunity to make that kind of passive income only if the company or the shares or the stock you're holding is paying dividends. And I'm not sure how they pay out the dividends, maybe every year. The whole idea behind this is for those that cannot decide which market to invest in, maybe for crypto market or the stock market. And I hope this video will help you in a little way to make a decision. And please don't forget, before you invest, always do a very good research on the coins or the stocks you are buying. Know the value, know the problem, and know what companies you are buying before you put your money on. That's going to be the end of my video for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. In the description down below, I'll include a link to my Discord group where I try to teach people about the crypto and the blockchain markets. So please feel free to join. It's free, and share with your friends to join, and let's learn and let's build a community together. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. I gave you my heart.